Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So you must have seen this type of reel on Instagram. So in this video, I will show you a very simple way how to create this type of reel for your Instagram. So I will show you in my mobile screen. So the first step is you need to open ChatGPT, upload a photo and write this prompt. So I will send you the prompt. I will tell you how to get that. And once you will post this, you will see the image is generated. Okay, so after this, what you need to do, you need to open edit application. Okay, so before that, okay, we'll go there and you have to select a 5 seconds video. Okay, and the image that we have generated from the chat gpt. So I will select this one. So here you can see the first video you need to select for 5 seconds, and this is an image. So now select this image and click on FX, and you need to select this flicker one and zoom and adjust to the full screen. So you have to play with this adjusting this one, and here you have to click on audio. The first one you can see theme AA23. You have to, so we'll select this audio, the first one AA23. So after selecting, click on arrow, add. So the video is ready. So now if you want this, the number one or number two, so let me know in my Instagram account. This is my Instagram account. Just message me with one or two which prompt you needed to generate this image. Okay, and just let me know, and I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.